My name is Pulkit. Guys, in previous video we were looking at the um, structure of Angular project. So in continuation with that video, I'll be moving forward here. So we were looking at the app.component.ts in which a name variable is defined by name Angular and a value of Angular plus version.major is assigned to the name variable, and in the HTML page the same variable will get interpolated and being displayed here, the 9 being the version, Angular being the name, and the hello is being concatenated to the existing variable in the HTML page. Let's see the .html page. Yes, this name will get interpolated and it is displayed in the HTML page. Moving forward, the app.component.css, guys, this is the CSS file which is specific to the component, app component. So whatever the changes that you do in this CSS file will be applicable to the app component only, right? So guys, this is it. This is all the structure. We have gone through all the structure, that the basic structure, although we can have the complex structure, we can have a different folder in this structure. We can have a parent hierarchy, a different child components. We can have shared components in the structure that will be shared to the different component. We have the service, we have the common files, and lot more things that we will see later. We also see how the different components get communicate each other. So before closing this video, ending this video, I'll be telling you some other facts with respect to this Angular. The first thing is, if I talk about a simple JavaScript. Guys, JavaScript is in itself is a synchronous, but with Angular we can have the asynchronous feature as well as synchronous feature. And how can we achieve that? There are different APIs, we have promises, we have observables. How we use them, we'll see it later. So this is one of the feature that we have in Angular. Second is web workers. Guys, with this with the latest version of Angular, we have a web worker support. Web worker means a lot of threads get introduced which run in the background to improve, to have the to make the computation easy and fast, and make those computations asynchronously, independently, so that that improves the performance of an application. Third is rendering engine. So guys, with the latest version MV, is it MV or AV? Let me check it. Give me a second. Package.json, we have seen it. Okay, it's AV, this one. So guys, third point was, sorry, not NV, it's AV. AV is the rendering engine that is used to render the page, right? Rendering means your TypeScript code, your HTML, CSS, making it all as combined and render the page into the plain HTML containing the HTML and JavaScript code. So basic for the rendering purpose, they are using this this engine, heavy rendering engine. And last is the build tool. The latest build tool is Bazel. Guys, this is the build tool that some languages use for the backend also, and here they are using it for the front end to build the application, build the code of the front end code, Angular code. So this is the another thing that you should know if you are working on this Angular. So I guess this is it in this video, guys. In next video we'll be looking at the basic concepts, and we'll try to implement to create some sort of small application, so that we will get a more extensive exposure of looking at those concepts. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye bye.